If I had to go the conventional route, I would not have done a Gangs of Wasseypur. Not that I had a lot of choice at that time, but still फिर भी it's a risky part. आप घर पे हो, आपको अच्छा कोई content देखना है, तो you are not going to suffer, some silly song. तो आपके हाथ में control है ना. So I think because of that, people are like, it's on the net. We don't have to step out and buy a ticket and watch it. We'll watch what's good. So I think it's the medium, not the industry or not the change from Hollywood or anything.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned into peepingmoon.com and today we have with us Shakila, Richa. Richa से पूछ लेते हैं Shakila और Richa में difference क्या है exactly as of the moment, because Richa was known to put her characters at ease, portray them almost कि differentiation खत्म हो जाता है. So Richa, what was it here? Like, was it difficult to get into the skin, or was it daunting for you to put across something on screen which was larger than life already in the first perspective?
Yeah, I thought it was an interesting story because her life itself was very cinematic and sort of. Uh, she was an unwilling star. Matlab, she just kept on rising and progressing in her life. So I thought that there were so many things in her life which were interesting and we could talk about, like her family relationships or her stardom, her run-ins with other guys who were being male stars. So yeah, for that reason I thought do this film. और बहुत फर्क है मुझ में और शकीला में. Oh, in all ways. Yeah, that's just the we do it and we forget. मतलब वो हो गया एक, actors have to move on also वरना हम अटक जाएंगे.
Richa, when you put out a character which also was called as Silk Smita's successor,
Yeah.
as per even the trailer, if we go by,
Hmm.
and in the past we did have Vidya in Dirty Picture, do you think audience over the period of time, I won't say similar story, but something on the same lines, were they be receptive to that kind of content?
I mean, I hope so. I think दोनों की लाइफ में सिमिलैरिटीज तो है. उनका टाइम भी एक ही दौर के sort of contemporaries. After मतलब she was the new version of her. Um, but this was inevitable for us because Shakila only became a huge star because Silk died. You know, so we can't hide from this, and I know that there might be some comparison, but I also know that we can't help it.
Richa, in a nation like ours, where unfortunately, till now, when you talk about sex and the films which have a bold premise, unfortunately, that is the only thing which is highlighted. Apart from that, people are genuinely not interested what exactly is the story, because you honestly judge a book by a cover. Do you think Shakira might face some kind of harshness on that front?
I think I worry about the opposite, that people will come in expecting this in the film and then they'll be disappointed कि अरे यार कुछ तो है ही नहीं फिल्म में. I'm telling you, उल्टा होने वाला है. We'll get those calls. I'm worried about that. But we are not promising them anything. Thing is, are going to assume that because the film is such, the topic is such, that this is what they'll come in and watch. But it's not the case.
There is this very interesting scene, Richa, in the trailer, where I think after Shakila's success, she, I think, opts for a body double. She's the face, but
Yeah.
someone else is pulling out all the action. Could you just throw a light on it? Because that was very interesting, considering that it comes with the premise of a pawn slash superstar. What was it?
This is the reality. In the first few films, uh, you can see in the trailer that her family only made her do this. So in the first few films, she did whatever, and then as soon as she could, she got a body double because she was also she was like, I don't mind facing the flack for this socially, but I don't want to, do this. So she hired somebody for it. Interesting,
That's
no?
like That's interesting because normally that's how people sell it. Like,
Yeah. पर
um,
ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें थी उनकी लाइफ में ना which were interesting, like the fact that she chose a body double, the fact that like today also she has adopted somebody in, and even though she's not super wealthy, um, she has adopted somebody who lives with her, and um, it's fantastic, like somebody almost her age who she calls child, who happens to be a transgender person. So I mean, you know, I really think that she's very like loving
and I
woman.
would also say brave because we often categorize our actors also in a certain mold. Like we
Yeah,
want them to live a certain image and a certain lifestyle. Like we want them to live by.
yeah, it happens. Yeah, that when I was a kid, I remember reading an interview where someone was interviewing Arun Govil, the actor who was playing Ramji in
Ramji.
Ramayana. So he said that he had a problem. I read somewhere that he was trying to go and buy a cigarette and he couldn't, because you know his image was so strong. This is what I read when I was a. So I guess image is a thing like that anywhere in the world. You know, I associate हो जाती है तो. That's why if you notice people who do television regularly, जब वो अपने functions में भी जाते हैं तो पूरे getup में जाते हैं. They
Yeah.
don't leave their costumes because it's too jarring for the audience then to see कि ये संस्कारी बहू आज मिनी स्कर्ट पहन के आई है. You know what I mean? So that's what it is. You can't help it.
Richard, do you think it's constricting as a performer or liberating to do a character which is open to which is open to a huge level of scrutiny? Like, and someone who's also like, of course, living at the moment, and the comparisons are very easily drawn, something which people love in our nation.
Yeah, yeah. I think that it's tricky because she's alive and kicking and working still. So I want her to feel happy, and I want the film to have some dignity and in her portrayal, uh, so that she can walk around with her head held high. That's why that was very important to me. Um, और comparisons होंगे तो फिर ठीक है, मतलब we can't help it now, can't help what people are going to say about it, or how people will draw obvious comparisons and think that this is how uh, yeah, but I think सबसे बड़ा जो liberating चीज for an actor, like coming back to your question, to do these parts, yes, to do any part which is very different from yourself is very liberating. Like if I am in life very peaceful, and even if I do something like Bholi Punjaban, it's very liberating for me. Why is she so angry all the time? And like in this, like this character, it's just not me. I'm not, but it's so much fun to do. More than that, I think the most liberating part is being able to do films that are not typically your films. Like, see, in this case, both Pankaj ji and I are doing something that is not our space. हम लोग commercial film, वो भी single screen type की, rarely, So that is very liberating. I think that every actor should do at least once, even if it's a mistake and you fall flat. You know, even if you get trolled and say what kind of stupid film it is, it's still a liberating experience to break out of a mold. Let people see you can do all kinds of things.
Exactly. I read Pankaj ji somewhere said कि मुझे एकदम हीरो बनने वाली फीलिंग आ गई थी शकीला करते वक्त. ऐसा मुझे पर्सनल लाइफ में तो नहीं मिला, बट ऐसा हीरो जैसा फील हो रहा था. अब समझ आया हीरो क्या होता है.
नहीं, ही इज वेरी क्यूट. वो उन्होंने पूरा हीरो ही प्ले किया है. छड़ी घुमाना, वाटर में से निकलना, और उनके मतलब ओपन बटन कोट्स, मतलब उन्होंने पूरा एंजॉय किया. उनका परफॉर्मेंस सच में अच्छा है. वो ट्रेलर में उसकी छोटी सी झलक है कि इतने बड़े हीरो हैं वो, कि वो अपने एक्शन, अपनी किक तक खुद नहीं मारते. उसके लिए भी एक आदमी जूता पहन के पैंट कैसे. So those kind of things are very nice. They have a lot of nostalgia and flavor.
Richa, you and Pankaj ji go back a long, like I don't have to spell it. It's a long, long association. And today, when for this year, I can ask as a co-actor also. He's everywhere. Like I think you name a project and you will see Pankaj ji there. And when I ask him, he says कि अब मुझे सक्सेस से फ्लर्ट करने का मन नहीं करता, अभी बहुत देर हो गई, अभी मुझे नहीं जाना पार्टीज में, जब चाहिए था तब बुलाया नहीं, अब मैं जाऊंगा नहीं. Do you also feel as in sometimes that uh, not maybe now it's more about good work, like it's not the success I'm chasing for, it's not the stardom I'm chasing for anymore.
But I've always been like that. I mean,
Yeah,
if I had to, if I had to go the conventional route, I would not have done a Gangs of Wasseypur. Not that I had a lot of choice at that time, but still, फिर भी it's a risky part.
it's a
तो
very risky.
हाँ, तो मुझे वो था ही नहीं. और पता है, I also noticed how, like, if you position yourself as just a, of course things are very different now, but 7, 8 years ago when I started, if you position yourself just as a pretty person, pretty face who's just, तो बहुत छोटा limited सा career, I felt हो जाता है. And now I think I'm getting some of my best work now, so that's very exciting for me to be in this phase when I can decide what I want to do, how much time I want to give to prep, and this is all I wanted.
Has Sheila herself seen your work as of now?
She seems to really like the trailer. I think she had come on set also to see some stuff. So yeah, I think she's very excited. I hope that she's happy after the film.
She should be. I mean, like, you can't question a good performance at the end of the day. Lastly, Richa, um, this year has been beautiful with content. I think one thing which I been asked talking to many actors, everyone give me just one good answer. Of course, we have been through a tough year otherwise, but maybe a blessing in disguise has been that we have seen content breaking the barriers of the medium, the screens. Who is
Ah,
who, not the stars. It's about good stuff. Was there
yeah.
something which this year you loved totally, and it was like that steel moment? I wish I would have also done that. I would have stolen that part. Any performances or maybe your any work which really you felt very happy watching?
A lot of work, yeah. I mean, incredible work has happened this year. It's very, very nice. But I think some of us जो इस तरह के सिनेमा से ही आगे आए हैं, we feel very happy when people give credit to talent and to content. Obviously, because we feel like we started this, and we and हमसे पहले जिनके हाथ, like this kind of cinema, this evolution is going to eventually help the industry. So apart from all the cast in Patal Lok who were fantastic, especially Abhishek and Jaideep, who I love very much. Lots of new, just fantastic actors this year. Uh, the actress Gitika Ohalia, she's there in Unpaused also. She did a little bit in Thappad. Very inspiring, very good. And yeah, so many. Pratik Gandhi in Scam, so good. So, because of OTT, we are getting to see other actors, other faces, other everything. So that is a very exciting space for any actor, I feel. कोई भी
Yeah,
creative,
exactly.
yeah.
Because finally that line is blurred, as you just mentioned pehle bhi ki cinema se yahan tak. Now it is no longer that. It's a good thing. It's a good content you want to see. Period.
Yeah, and it will be like that for the longest time. Now see, even in the West, जो बड़े-बड़े सबसे biggest actors are on, HBO doing some lovely shows, and such good shows, such good content. So yeah.
You think that we are ready? We are on the verge of accepting something good out of from the West in this manner because as you
I
said,
don't
like
think
Nicole Kidman to Reese Witherspoon, we have everyone, and there is limited series, beautiful content without any baggage of say I am the superstar and I'm an Oscar winner.
no. I don't think that we are keeping anything from the West. I think it's the medium. The medium is dictating what is being watched. आप घर पे हो, आपको अच्छा कोई content देखना है, तो you are not going to suffer, some silly song. तो आपके हाथ में control है ना. So I think because of that, people are like, it's on the net. We don't have to step out and buy a ticket and watch it. We'll watch what's good. So I think it's the medium, not the industry or not the change from Hollywood or anything.
No, what I meant to ask is, I think we are ready to ourselves offer that kind of content on the medium now. Whereas even if
Yeah,
it's limited, even if it's good,
definitely.
that's it.
Yeah, I agree with you there. Shows like Scam and Patal Lok and all, they are world class shows. They're really good shows. Anybody
Like
can watch
I
them in
remember, yeah, because as you said, even for that matter, when Mirzapur came out, I have to bring it because Devendra was telling us that while people are busy debating on the Galis, nobody for once noticed it's a very, a show from the roots of India. This is how we talk. You can't just suddenly dismiss something, the language which we speak. And that is the reason it's a hit because I don't have to defend it anymore. This is how people talk. And we're just putting across the reality, the politics of how things are in a Bahubali culture.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
But thank you so much, Richa. It's been really sweet of you. Wishing you a lovely year ahead. And I
Thank-
hope 21 is full power charge. We also have so many good films and web
Yeah.
series from you lined up as well, I know. So just looking forward to all the good content rolling next year.
Thanks, Ankita. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.